Hey guys, today video we are going to see about SElinux installation. So requirement is we need to install this SElinux and we need to disable it. Even after the reboot, it should be the same as disable. So that is the overview they have given. So let's do this task. First log into the app server 3. So which is so I don't know which package of the SElinux which needs to installed here. So what I'm going to do is yum install -y SElinux star. So which means it will install whatever the package available or which starts with SElinux. So it is generally will take more time because we don't know the exact package. So we will wait until it gets installed. So now it is successfully installed. So how we will change this SElinux to be in disabled state? Before that, let me check this status. So currently now it is disabled only. So still we need to configure some changes on the configuration file where it is placed vi/etc/SElinux/config. So this is the place you can see here. Here we have to change. So here we can see this is currently in enforcing. So now we have to change this value to disabled. Okay, now we have set it this escape colon WQ. We have saved this file. If you want, you can try this cat command to check once again. So now we have disabled it in the configuration file itself. So let me check the current status. Get enforce. So now it is disabled. That is the status which is giving to us. So now we it will get enabled after the reboot. So how we will permanently disable this thing? So for that we need to update here. Since we are not going to reboot, I think another steps are not required. So let's try to check, confirm. We'll see. As I thought, it is we no need to go for further step. This is fine. We'll see you in next video.